And Naveen, um, gonna make this video for you so you can understand what's going on, how you're gonna connect this um, form. Basically, first thing, this is you have to go to the rate page under book airport rates. This is all the rates. There is 6 zones, as you can see, in all the rates. As you can see, one way and round trips. There's SUVs and vans, and van has 11 passenger, 18 passenger. So those are gonna be different prices. So this is for the zones for uh, zonings, and then we have golf and dinner. So also there's two prices over here, SUV and van, and then those are activities. As you can see, round trip, those are only round trips. And yeah, this two is round trip, this one is by the hour, but it's those are like packages. They selling packages. So this one is for pass van, actually SUV, as you can see, and this pricing is for vans, for van up to 8 passenger. So you need to basically follow this rates, and the whole shopping cart is going to be all those prices. So let's go to the form. So the form is going to be working. There is 3 triggers. First, when they come to the form, they have to choose round trip or one way. So price will be different for round trip. As you can see here, round trip one way, let's say zone 6, it's 150 one way, round trip 300. So whatever they choose, it will trigger that. But that's not the last thing. So here they will put the, it says arrival date and time. They will choose their time, date, and as you can see over here, there's the time. They will choose the time, what time, and then by clicking this, they will say AM or PM. So this will do the arrival time. Now, the customer will have to choose from where they have to go. Those are the zones. So as you can see, zone 1 from here to up to zone up to here, it's zone 1. So anything they choose into zone 1, the charge will be under zone whatever it's showing right over here. So zone 2, if they choose their destination from zone 2, so the price will be, as you can see, from here, from zone 2. So you have to look at the rate page and follow the prices for the zones, whatever zone they choose. And as you can see, all these destinations are with zones. So charges will be, price will be changed by the zones also. So price will change by the round trip or one way, and by the destination, which zone they're going. After that, they will fill out their departure date and time, same way. And next trigger for charge to finalize how much will be the airport. This form is airport. And then we have this tool form, it's for activities like tours, if they want to take tours. But for now, I'm going to tell you only for the first, I'm going to tell you about the airport. So Now the next trigger is the after they choose round trip or one way and destination. Next trigger will be finalize which car they want, SUV 6 passenger or van 11 passenger or van 18 passenger. As you can see, if I take trip round trip zone 1, if I take, also they can type here, they can uh, it will display their location, whatever we have in this data. So next thing they will, it's the car, what type of car they want. So if I choose SUV 6 passenger and this destination, as you can see, charge will be this is the charge, round trip $159, round trip, let's say zone 1, from zone 1 and passengers, so charge will be this $159. So that's how, and the charge will and this is also, this is free, they can check if they want free, and the charge will show here. If let's say you are going to vacation and you want to book your airport, somebody to pick you up from airport and drop you off, and then pick you up, take you after your vacation, take you to airport again. Those are this is the form. This is where you choose air, and here they put their arrival, airline and airline name and airline flight number. This is for, and also this one for departure. So at this point, when they choose this, price will start displaying here. Next, if you want to take a, let's say, tour while you're vacationing, you want to take tour. So they got 6 packages here. As we can see, tours are over here. After zone 6, the tours starts. Transfer for golf and dinner. This is the last one I put. So if they choose, let's say, this, now again they have to choose what type of car, SUV or any other, or van 11 passenger, or so when they choose, let's say, van 18 passenger, so this will be, as you can see here, up to 18. SUV is over here for activities, for tours, and vans are, this is the van, as you can see it says van, up to 18 passenger. If it's 11 passenger or 18 passenger, it should be same price. So pretty much, as you can see, you just have to make the whatever they choose, the total will come here. If, let's say, another scenario, if you book only for airport, you did not take any activity, and you made a payment, so then they will fill out their emails, state, and credit card information. Everything is here, as you can see. If they choose PayPal, they can select PayPal and pay with PayPal, and here they can add additional information. Simple, pretty much form, and they can reserve. Once they reserve it, they the customer will get email with all this information displaying whatever they choose, select, with the price, and same way the owner will get email with this, so they can pick both customer and the let's call it admin. Admin is the basically the owner, company, owner. Both will get emails with same information, so both they know what what they have to do. Where the driver can go pick it up, what time, whatever time, and everything they selected, you know. So pretty much simple, you know. I design it, you know, very simple way, and all you gotta do just follow the rate, you know, rate form over here, and you'll be good to go. The second scenario, what I was saying, that if let's say I only book for airport, I didn't take any uh, activity tour, let's say, and I decided to, you know, do tours, I can come this form and I can only do tours. So this I can do only separate. I can do only uh, airport pickups, drop-offs, and I can do only you know, tours. So whatever, if, or I can do, you know, both together. Charge will do. So pretty much it's whatever I put in my shopping cart, that I will pay the price I will pay for that. So if I take airport, let's say my round trip airport, if I take zone one airport with, you know, SUV, $150 round trip, and if I take uh, you know, let's say this to San Jose with, let's say, 6 passenger, and the cars can be different over here, because I can go with six airport. I can go with my family with 6 passenger, but I can meet my friends in the you know, in a vacation. Maybe we are, you know, more than, you know, 15 people or 10 people. Now I, for my tour, I can choose different. I can choose a van instead of SUV. So cars can be different in you know, tours and activities or in an airport. So in the form it should display, and the charge also will be different. So if I take 11 passenger, my airport will be, let's say, if I'm booking both airport and uh, my tours activities, if I take, you know, 6 passenger for my airport pickup drop off, but in the tour maybe we're going with couple of families, then I can schedule, you know, my, for my tour, you know, bigger car van. So the charge basically will go if I do both together. If I do separate, you know, it's you know, it'll be separate charge. So that's pretty much it. And if you have any other question, this is the only, I guess, the thing you need to do. This only this page. Rest of the stuff it's static. This is the only shopping cart, and the shopping cart is, as I told you, I will I also I did send you the PayPal. There's 2 accounts. It's gonna be adaptive payments. One account will get 70%. One account will get 30% of the payment. Whatever this payment I customer make, after this payment will go and split. So that's the beauty of adaptive payments, that payment can split automatically with PayPal adaptive payment. So I will also send you, if you don't have the PayPal logins, I will also email you the PayPal logins for the business accounts, so you can configure. They already almost configured, but you can you know, also do whatever needs to be done. Okay, bro. So if you have questions, let me know. Okay. Bye bye.